College bani pibro kijim tip nam tai Khubor Laitkam tegi don Tylli post kebelain pok official website jangka makeeducation.gov.in apply dengan Government of Meghalaya Directorate of Educational Research and Training DERT nong rimau laim kelas lang advertisement application are invited for one research associate and one research assistant for a research study in the Directorate of Educational Research and Training DERT, which are purely on temporary basis for a period of 6 months tang rubenai and sebagai apa research associate qualification long PhD in education research experience at PG level and above, data collection, data analysis, drafting report, coordination with field personnel, kinetic work description, remuneration kalong 4,000 sibanai fix, dan research assistant pada they've been qualification belong graduate pass with 50% marks from a recognized university institute, 5% relaxation for STSC, kemudian hadu 100% namtaki STSC. Experience dimlong work experience as data entry operator DU, profession in MS Word, Excel, PPT extra, work description kedai typing, data entry, coordination with field personnel and other secretarial work. Kapi hang nevre kedai 8,000 per month fix with katu baik kapi. Khalajar jongka research associate but prajar namdaga research assistant. The age limit hangnya ada pai not less than 18 years and not more than 32 years. 5 years relax for STSC. Mudba khat pra hado life news name. Kiba kuap na apply ke last date kandai khat kandai dari July arjar sau. How to apply? Interested candidate are to click on the link. Kiba kuap na apply kila ban klik ya ke link ngalabu po description tanda pila klik ya ke link pinpoint direct akan ke Google form application form for the post of research associate and research assistant in Directorate of Educational Research Training for a project study. तो खिलावन जेट को वही निकने research associate ने research assistant खिलावन टेक हंग तो एक बार ही को अपन apply फिर upload का passport photo का full name का date of birth committee फिर एक general ने ST ने others then first last name permanent address personal address email phone number qualification upload mark sheet and certificate all in one PDF less than 10 MB फिर compile lang hakaway bej ka PDF file present occupation work experience then lada upload baro submit pada te yakan negaling ngan bu apa description sa lada pikwa ban apply sa let hi nang to kaling klik nang to kaling sa pandap yaki jinon kam ke bede bat kene tang gini ki jing betep flash one